You're watching How Leap. Let's fix PDF files not opening in WhatsApp. First, check your internet connection. A strong Wi-Fi or mobile data signal is needed to download the file. Tap the download icon next to the PDF in the chat and wait for it to finish. If it won't open, check your phone's storage. If storage is full, you cannot download or open new files. Clear some space. Next, ensure you have a PDF Reader app installed, like Adobe Acrobat or your device's built-in file viewer. The PDF will try to open in this app. Update your WhatsApp and PDF Reader app from your App Store. Then try opening the PDF from your phone's file manager instead. Go to your phone's Downloads folder or internal storage, find the WhatsApp folder, and locate the PDF there to open it directly. Finally, ask the sender to resend the file, as it may have been corrupted during the initial send. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.